Okay, let's look at example 1 of area 4 of problem solving and data analysis. Area 4 deals with growth. Generally growth models. We've uh, taken a look at growth models. And so here, let's take a good look at the problem itself. It says, in planning maintenance for a city's infrastructure, a civil engineer estimates that starting from the present, the population of the city will decrease by 10%. It's decreasing, so these are keywords. It's going to decrease. That means it's going down. So your I will be a negative value. 10% every 20 years. And also what is going to be every 20 years, not every year. If the present population of the city is 50,000, which of the following expression represent the engineer's estimate of the population of the city 2 years from now? Now, let's recap quick. We said that the future value f, when you are dealing with growth model, is always going to be equal to p, the present value, times 1 plus I to the power t, like that. In this case, the population is growing by I%. If I is per year, then this model will be like this. If I is per every n years, then it will be I time to the power t over n. So right now, the growth is I% every n years. So if t is in years, then t over n will be every n years. If t is in days, then t over n will be every n days. Right now, the second thing you need to take a look at is, if I is positive, then your model will be like this. If I is decreasing, like this case, then your model will be equal to f will be equal to p 1 minus I to the power t over n. See that? Remember, this is always in decimal values. It's in percent. So let's go back to our problem. We know that we want the future value, so f is going to be equal to 50,000, which is the present population. We have 1 minus, and it's decreased by 10%, so it's 0.01, that's 10%, and to the power t over 20. So if you simplify your model, it becomes 50,000, 0.9 to the power t over 20. Even without looking at your answer, this will be what your answer should look like. You go back to then we realize, look, this is 0.1, this is 0.1. 0.1 means it's decreasing by 90% every 20 years, which is wrong. Now we know the answer has to be 0.1, 0.9, sorry, 0.9, 0.9. 50,000 is fine, 50,000 is fine, this is fine. The only thing you need to worry about is this. This is not every 20 years. This here is every 20 years, and therefore your answer choice will be answer choice D.